Imagine a family so powerful, their arguments could shatter mountains, and their love could make the world bloom. A family of kings, queens, warriors, and artists ruling from a palace in the clouds. The divine realm they seized after a brutal 10-year war against their parent, Titan. They were victors, and they divided the known universe between them. At the head of this pantheon were three brothers, each a king in his own right. The youngest, yet most powerful, was Zeus, king of the Olympians and god of the sky and thunder. His weapon was the master thunderbolt, and his word was law. Zeus was the ultimate authority, a guardian of justice who punished mortals and gods alike for breaking sacred oath. Yet, he was also a deeply flawed ruler, driven by a paranoia of being overthrown, and a legendary infidelity that caused constant chaos. His Roman name is Jupiter. The second brother was Poseidon, lord of the seas. As unpredictable as the oceans he commanded, Poseidon's temper could create violent storms or shake the very foundations of the earth, earning him the title, the Earthshaker. From his golden palace beneath the waves, he ruled over all marine life and wielded his mighty trident. His Roman name is Neptune. The eldest brother was Hades, king of the underworld. Now, often feared, he was not a god of evil, but of order. His duty was to rule the realm of the dead, ensuring the souls of mortals remained where they belong. Rich with all the hidden wealth of the earth, he was a grim and solitary ruler who rarely left his subterranean kingdom. It's important to note, Hades was a major god, but as he didn't live on Olympus, he is often not counted among the 12 Olympians. This spot is sometimes given to Hestia or Dionysus. His Roman name is Pluto. Ruling beside Zeus was his sister and wife Hera, the queen of the gods. As the goddess of marriage, women, and childbirth, she was a fierce protector of marital vows. But this made her life a constant torment, as she was forced to endure Zeus's endless affairs. Her wrath was legendary, and she mercilessly punished the women Zeus pursued and the children they bore. Her Roman name is Juno. Zeus's other sisters represented the core of civilization. First, Hestia was the goddess of the hearth and home, the quiet center of every family and of Olympus itself. She was the most peaceful of the gods, a virgin goddess who embodied stability. Next to her was Demeter, the goddess of the harvest and agriculture. She was vital to humanity's survival, and her grief over her daughter Persephone's abduction by Hades was so profound it created winter, explaining the cycle of the seasons. Hestia's Roman name is Vesta, and Demeter's is Ceres. The next generation, the children of Zeus, brought new domains to Olympus. Two of them claimed the realm of war. First was Ares, the embodiment of war's brutal, chaotic, and bloodthirsty nature. He was impulsive, violent, and generally disliked by the other gods for his love of slaughter. His half-sister, Athena, represented the opposite side of conflict, the goddess of strategic warfare, wisdom, and heroic endeavor. She was the brilliant tactician, patron of artisans, and a protector of cities. Athena was not born, but famously sprang fully formed and in armor from the head of Zeus. Ares' Roman name is Mars. Athena's is Minerva. The divine twins, Apollo and Artemis, commanded the sky. Apollo was the god of music, prophecy, healing, and the sun. He represented logic, order, and the light of civilization, with his oracle at Delphi being the most respected in the ancient world. His twin sister, Artemis, was the goddess of the hunt, the wilderness, and the moon. A fierce and independent virgin goddess, she roamed the forests with her band of huntresses, a protector of the wild. Their Roman names are Apollo and Diana. The most skilled of the gods was Hephaestus, the god of forge, fire, and craftsmanship. Born with a limp, he was the only imperfect Olympian, cast from Olympus by his own mother, Hera. Despite this, he became the master blacksmith, crafting all the legendary weapons and artifacts of the gods from his workshop inside a volcano. His Roman name is Vulcan. No pantheon is complete without the force of love. Aphrodite was the goddess of love, beauty, desire, and pleasure. Her origin is debated, with some myths claiming she was a daughter of Zeus and others that she was born from the sea foam itself. Her breathtaking beauty and power over the heart caused constant strife among the gods. Her Roman name is Venus. Finally, there was the messenger, the diplomat, and the trickster, Hermes, god of travelers, merchants, and thieves. With his winged sandals, he moved between the worlds of mortals, gods, and the dead, delivering messages for Zeus. He was known for his cleverness, wit, and cunning, the most sociable of all the Olympians. His Roman name is Mercury. These 12 gods were the heart of Greek mythology. They weren't distant, perfect beings. They were a family, driven by passions, flaws, and ambitions that were profoundly human. Through their stories, the ancient Greeks sought to understand the world around them, the changing of the seasons, the chaos of war, and the uncontrollable power of love. Their legacy is a testament to the timeless nature of these very human struggles.